In this video, I'm going to be cleaning the interior glass of my natural gas fireplace. This is a Napoleon fireplace, but they're pretty similar for any type of fireplace. You can see there's a lot of white film on the inside, which is a byproduct from natural gas combustion, so it builds up over about a year. I picked up this Imperial fireplace glass cleaner from Home Depot at a cost of $12. And I'm going to be using some cotton rags to apply it and then wipe it off. Now before we begin, make sure the power is turned off to your fireplace, and I'm going to turn off the pilot light by switching it to the off position and then turning the valve off to stop the gas flow completely. Now that that's done, I'm going to take off the upper grill, which on this model conceals the clip that releases the glass and allows it to swing out. So you can see the upper clip here. I'll unlatch that. No problem. A little dirty up there. I'll clean that too later. And then on the bottom you can see there's one as well. So one upper and one lower clip. Not all glass on the fireplaces is a hinged version like this one. Some of them lift off. So if you have something different, you might have to lift the glass off instead of swing it out. So this glass cleaner is a bit more of a cream cleaner, and it's more akin to what you put on your stovetop if you have a ceramic stovetop than say a Windex. So for application, now that it's on the cotton cloth, you just rub it onto the glass. No mystery there. One thing I'd like to point out is I probably did not have enough of the glass cleaner on the cotton rags, so I do go back and put more of the glass cleaner on the cloth here. And to be perfectly honest, I've used Windex on this glass and I haven't had any issues. I have read that Windex isn't the recommended product because it doesn't break down the carbon buildup, but again, I've had no issues doing that. I just wanted to try the actual cleaner and see if it did a better job for this video. The instructions on the bottle say to let the product sit on the glass for about 1 minute to 2 minutes before wiping it off, which is what I did. And now I'm going to use the second piece of cotton to rub the cleaner off the glass. Now I found it was best to look at it from a few different angles so that you can ensure that all of the cleaner is off the glass, because it does leave a haze, and if you don't rub it off thoroughly, it will leave some residue behind. So looking at it from a few different angles, front, back, top and bottom, really helped to identify where the cleaner was on the glass. So once you're done, close it back up. Again, opposite of opening it, top clip and bottom clip. No secrets there. Turn the natural gas and power back on. Then I'm going to move the control knob from off to pilot. Depress the pilot switch. Wait a few seconds and press the ignition button. And sure enough, it lights back up. Hold the pilot for a few seconds and then release the pilot and turn it to the on position. And then it's pretty much good to go. So there it is. Glass clean, fire burning. No problem. Now I'll close the bottom grill and reinstall the top grill. And you can see it has clips on the grill. Anyway, this was a pretty fast and easy job, but does make your fireplace look a lot better. Thanks for checking out my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.